Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today what I'm cooking is carne asada tacos, okay? I just said that right. And I got this meat right here from one of our friends that worked with my husband. He had brought this is the meat from the meat market in Colorado Springs. But anywho, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna marinate it first, overnight. And this is the ingredient that I'm gonna marinate it. So once I marinate everything and stuff, all that I have to do is just, you know, uh, fry it, And this is what I'm gonna marinate with it: orange, lime, and onion, and cilantro. Yeah, easy, easy, easy. And this is what I'm gonna use when I make the taco. I'm using the yellow corn tortilla. Okay. So yeah. So I'm just showing you guys because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this in little pieces, and I'm gonna marinate everything overnight. So this is what I'm gonna have the next day. Okay. All right. So yeah. I have never, when I did make carne asada taco, I never marinate with oranges. But I do sometimes marinate with lime and onion. But I'm going to try with the orange, okay? And then with some of the season that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the season. Sometimes you could just only use solid black pepper, but I like to add, some people use fresh garlic. I think I may have some of that, but I'm just saying that if I don't have the fresh garlic, I always use garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and red pepper. But this is the ingredient, you guys. So I'm not going to cook this tonight. I'm going to cook it tomorrow. Okay, the next day. Alrighty. And if you guys want to season my way, just pause it and put down the season. And this right here, just pause it. Just pause it. And yeah, that's the line. Well, no, that just came from subtracting 500 from 7,000. Yeah, but this is that's the 6,500. Yeah. So y'all could just pause it. Okay. That came from subtracting adjustments. I don't even know what schedule. Okay, so my Uber, that's supposed to be Schedule C. It's Schedule K. Because that's independent contract. If you know all this, you should have did your own daily tax. You should have just used TurboTax. Okay, you guys, so I will see you guys once it's been marinated in the kitchen. Okay. Did I say marinate in the kitchen? I mean the refrigerator. Oh my goodness, overnight. All right, I'll see you guys when it marinate 12 hours. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, you guys, so I just only did half of the onion. I already put my seasoning. You saw the seasoning that I used. Okay. Now I'm going to cut up some cilantro and orange in my eye. Okay, so cilantro. Put it in here. Stir it up. and stuff. This is how I slice the steak like that. Okay. Okay, you guys, so everything is seasoned up. And I'm going to put it in a freezer bag and let it sit overnight. Okay, so this is how I put it together. My steak carne asada taco. And again, you don't have to put habanero. That's just like, cause I like stuff spicy. Yes, yes, yes. But I got 3 tacos, and you saw how I kind of warmed it up in my skillet. Okay, see, I'm just showing. That's 1, and that's 2, and that's 3. And don't forget my lime. And also, yes, I love these containers, you guys. So I put my little salsa in a little container. So if you want to know what kind of salsa that is, you have to keep watching this video. Okay? But that's it. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Just show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye. Well, if you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. Okay? Alrighty. And what I'm drinking on, you guys, this is what I'm drinking on. Cherry Coca-Cola. Yep, that's what I'm drinking on. Alright. Cha-cha. Hope you guys make it.
Great! That'll be so much better than the sugary soda we had last time. I found the DVD for Misumi Yuki's movie, Lone Tigers and Color. Can't wait to see that movie after what you told us, Kigami. This is going to be the best movie night ever! Excuse me. Oh, here comes Hurricane.
Okay, you guys, welcome back to my cook channel. It's been 12 hours. And again, the first clip I will show you guys how I season my meat, and that and you will see that I said I was gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight. So yeah, so this is, I just took it out and I'm making carne asada tacos with the yellow corn tortilla. This kind of cheese I'm using, and this is the topping, cilantro and onion with the lime, and this is the sauce I'm using as well. Very quick. I might put a little bit, of this habanero. That's why I got it in a separate cup. So now this is gonna be quick and easy. It's not gonna last too long because I got everything, all my topping stuff all cut up and my ingredient. Okay. Alrighty. I'll see you guys down. Let's get my pan in front of my meat.
Everything okay, Sabrina? If you need to talk. It's just that I lost my only
So I cut up my line. Okay, now I'm just to cook my meat. Got my pan, put some oil in it. Guess that's enough. And you guys, my hands is washed. So, yeah. Why that oil go that away? Wow. Crazy. See how I'm doing it? Gonna put some more on it in the pan. And if you guys see how I season this with that orange and lamb, oh my God, I know it's gonna be good. You know, almost done. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna change this pan into another pot because just see how it's going to the end. I'm gonna change it to another pot. Okay, you guys, I changed my pot. And I'll be right back when it's done. And then I'll show you guys how I make the taco, okay? Okay, you guys, so it is ready. And now I'm just gonna put it in my bowl. And you can't really cook this long, you know, because it's really steak. So it's ready. Alright, I'll show you guys how I make my taco. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I look with the meat. I just kept the juice because you don't want the meat to dry out. But yeah, that's how I look. And only thing that you're supposed to do, you're just supposed to just add this and this. And then if you got some salsa, which I showed you, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna heat up my corn tortilla, not too long. Okay, so really that's all in the line. But you know, when you make this kind of taco, people don't put cheese on it, but you can if you want to. But this is on the ingredient. So now I'm just gonna heat up me some corn tortilla, and that's it. Okay. That's why I'm not showing you guys the cheese. But again, if you want to, you can if you want to. But it's not required. Alright. Okay guys, this is how I heat up my corn tortilla. Then I just put my filling in. Alright. Guys, just show you how everything turned out.